Hello, this is a quick video to go over the staff data overview section on the EmpowerDB homepage. This section allows supervisors and administrators to be able to quickly see if other staff in the organization have been entering data as they're expected to. By comparing their current month's data with the past months, an administrator can quickly get a sense as to who might need a little nudge about their data entry. This list will display each user that an account has supervisory permission to see. If a user doesn't have supervisory permission to anyone else, they will just see one row for themselves. The default data type that will be displayed here will be different for each site, but most commonly it will show the number of hours spent in the various activity types that are associated with your account. So this isn't the amount of time spent using the database, it's the amount of time this user attributed to things like services and groups. So here we see that in May, demo user added 3 hours worth of activities, and we can click on the number here, and this opens up their activities calendar where we can take a look at what exactly that was. There's a variety of other metrics that can be shown as well. For example, we can take a look at clients added, and now we can see that demo user added 5 clients in April. We can click on the number 5 there, and it will open up a little bubble that shows us the names of the clients that were added. We can go right to their records if we want to, like that. So you can take a look at some of the other things that are in here. Hopefully most of these are self-explanatory, and the list will be different depending on what kind of features your system has. So you'll have a count of each of your activity types, and what you'll also have, if you have data form programs, and the name will be something different for all of you, for each of your data form programs, there'll be an item in this list here to give you a count of the number of those entries added during that month. So if we click on here, we can see that demo user added in 2 hotline calls in April. Click on those to go take a look. 1 in March, none yet in May. You also have the option of selecting different point in time entries, different point in time types that will show up in this list. But because some point in time types would be completely irrelevant to be on that list and other kinds would be helpful, this is something you have to activate yourself. So let's say you want to see lethality assessments in that list. You come to that point in time settings, include in staff overview. Yes. We'll save those changes. And then once we're at the home page again, that is added to the list. And we can click there and see nobody's added any. Okay, so there are other metrics. If you have other metrics that you would like added to that list, please feel free to let us know. If it's something that we're able to generalize in a way that we can make available to other sites, then we'll add that in free of charge. But if it's something very specific to your organization, we can do that too. But it would take just a few hours of our time to work out with you what's to be displayed here and program that all out. All right, hope this information was helpful to you. See you on the next video.